Russian Helicopters.Ansat light multipurpose helicopter has begun its flight over Mexico. The helicopter, which is operated by the Craft Avia Center, first flew in Guadalajara, the second largest city in Mexico, which is the capital of the state of Jalisco. The flight video released by Russian Helicopters shows an Ansat helicopter landing on a helipad above a tall building in the city center. In Mexico, Ansat helicopters are supplied by the Russian Helicopters system to Craft Avia Center as a helicopter dealer made by Russian Helicopters. Ansat fills the light helicopter market in Mexico for VIP flights, firefighting and other purposes. The helicopter, which can carry 7 people, can be modified for air, medical or cargo transportation. Craft Avia Center previously reported, as many as 13 Ansat units will be supplied by Russian helicopters to a number of companies in Mexico. Then as many as 27 Ansat units will be supplied for the National Air Medical Services project. Before being widely operated in Mexico, Ansat Heli will first complete the certification process in this country in North America. Certification is scheduled for completion later this year.